I'm recording.
If I stand up, I'm good.
No.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Ready for what?
I don't know. I thought
You've been asleep for 2 hours. We missed it. It's too late now.
Okay, it don't matter. I gotta keep moving.
Oh my God.
Come on, let's go.
I gotta go back. Oh shit.
Hello. Call me. You're what? I'm in the same spot. Hold on. Hey, someone back up. I don't know who I'm talking to.
Bueno.
I'm not sure who I'm talking to. He's yelling at me.
Oh no, not Peter. We're going to
Peter.
Starlight.
Come on, let's go. Peter needs